Hi, my name is Janet Pipes. Have you ever thought about inheritance fraud? If you have money, it's something to really give consideration to. We call it the misfortune of inheritance. If you've inherited a lot of money, there's chances people know about it. And one of the things that happens is that judges, lawyers use guardianship to prey on the elderly. If you've got money, they're going to find out. What they do, they isolate the ward. They give you a nice psychotropic cocktail. You might think I'm kidding, but let me tell you about one of the ladies that did this for a living. She would go out. Sorry about that, I'm looking for her article. Here's a guardianship huge firm that was just seized by the U.S. Marshals. They had stolen millions from thousands of people. This lady, good old April Parks, she used to go to people's house, knock on the door, come with me. They would say, no, we don't want to. They would say, you'll be arrested if you don't come with me. They would take her to nursing homes, give them a nice psychotropic cocktail, and while they were knocked out, they would go and sell their home, have a court order to do so, take their car, sell that, sell all their artwork. She did this over and over and over, to the point where when somebody found her old storage locker after she was finally arrested, it had 23 urns of humans in it. That's what these people are like. They're really not nice people at all. And what happens is there's a lack of autopsy. They quickly embalm you, they quickly cremate you, and nobody knows what they did to you. So this is how they work their scheme, and this is done internationally. They isolate the ward from family and friends. They don't even tell your kids where you are. They just say, well, they were incapacitated. That's the word they use. You don't even have to be very old. You don't have to have anything wrong with you, but once you've had all those psychotropic drugs, you're incapacitated, believe me. Then they take all those nice wills and trusts that you thought you had that would save you, and they destroy them. The judge just, and then quickly seize all your personal assets, sell those, replace all your caregivers and vendors. They've got their own set of doctors. Then they retain legal counsel, sue your family if they aren't cooperating. They initiate costly and endless litigation, and they use your money to sue your family and friends. They hire crony consultants. They keep you medicated. They void all your wills and documents. They break all the trust. And there you are, somewhere. Nobody knows where you are. They're telling you your kids don't care. That's why you haven't seen them. This sounds horrible. I'm not even saying it horrible enough. It's just, it is so horrible that it's unbelievable. Be careful. There's a book that talks about it called Guardianship Fraud by Michael Larson. It tells how they do it. It gives articles in here by Art Magazine, if you're familiar with that, if you're old enough to do that. CNN Report, Las Vegas Review-Journal, Money Magazine, New York Daily News, South Jersey Times, the Indianapolis Star, the Wall Street Journal, Washington Examiner. You don't see very much of it in the newspaper, but every now and then they slip something in. These are judges that are doing it. You don't stand a chance. Be prepared. Get the book Guardianship Fraud. Know what you're up against.